How to negotiate in small claims court. Have you ever wondered how to effectively negotiate in small claims court, especially when it comes to auto insurance collision coverage? Let's break it down step by step. First, it is essential to know the monetary limits of small claims court in your area. These limits can differ by jurisdiction, so make sure your claim falls within that range. Small claims courts typically handle smaller disputes, including auto damage claims that insurance companies may not fully cover. Next, gather and organize all relevant evidence related to your car accident. This means collecting photos of the damage, repair estimates, police reports, witness statements, and any communication with your insurance company. Having strong evidence will support your claim and strengthen your position during negotiations. Once you have your evidence, notify your insurance company about the accident and damages as soon as possible. Provide them with all the necessary details to kickstart the claims process. If the settlement offer from your insurer is not enough or is denied, small claims court can be your next step. Before heading to court, it is wise to attempt negotiation directly with the insurance company or the party at fault. This can involve discussing settlement offers and presenting your evidence to explain why your claim amount is justified. Clear communication and persistence can go a long way in these discussions. If negotiations do not yield a satisfactory outcome, it is time to file your claim with the court. Be prepared to pay any required fees and organize your evidence. Practice presenting your case clearly and concisely, explaining how the damages relate to the accident and why the compensation you seek is fair. When you are in court, remain as professional and stick to the facts. Clearly explain the accident, the damages, and your attempts to resolve the issue with the insurance company. Use your evidence to support your statements. The judge will consider all this information to make a decision. If a settlement is reached during or after the hearing, ensure that the terms are clear and cover all your damages, including repair costs and any related expenses. Keep a copy of the agreement for your records. Negotiating in small claims court can often be a last resort when your insurer's offer does not adequately cover your losses. It provides a simpler and cost-effective way to seek fair compensation without needing a lawyer. Being well prepared, organized, and factual can increase your chances of success.